Spring Peeper sound tutorial. This sound is made using two things, a lip position and a whistle. First, the lip position is like you were saying, pre, but without it being vocalized. Pre, but without the E. Next, you add your whistle, which the tone should sound like. And so how you do the whistle is a curved tongue, and you have a lip shape of an O. And to add the pre is when you whistle, you add it at the exact same time. So it's a whistle, lip position, pre. And there should be a little bit of air behind it. And you do it just at a steady rhythm. And as you whistle, you can change up the variations and the tone. But there you have it, Spring Peeper.